when you see a person come before you at this particular time, and I know sometimes it's good to give those particular people a certain amount of respect when they're trying to teach you a certain amount of things, but you got to realize one thing about this when you're doing that, and just understand this. This particular knowledge is your knowledge. So in so many words, the spirit realm chose a group of people to go through this, to access all this particular information, to give it back to the ones who are waking up at this dispensation of time. So in so many words, it's your birthright to get this particular knowledge and this particular information. It's your information. It's not the speaker's information. You see, it's too often we look at that person has great wisdom, and we want to turn our life over to that particular person. And the whole key is that person was just a person to reintroduce you to knowledge. You understand that's not only within you, but it was knowledge that you put down before you went to sleep and agreed to come back to get this particular knowledge at this particular time. So in so many words, you agreed to come back at this particular time to rediscover your past and rediscover your particular information, and ultimately rediscover that you are gods and not humans. You see, you agreed to do that. We asked the question right now, how many people always thought that there was something special about them maybe since they was a child? Raise your hand. I go all over the country, and I have never been in a room where everybody didn't raise their hand. And what I mean by that, for the mere fact that you are up in here, at this particular time, and you're not interested in a football game going on or a party going on, or I'm looking at black people on Saturday nights. We got there's 75 people in a place on a Saturday night, and some of these people are young and they ain't interested in partying, then obviously you know that it's something spiritual why you are here. You're not here based on, well, this is some good, let's go take in some knowledge or something. It's not another form of entertainment. You were born to be at this particular time, getting this particular information, because the people who are to return, we're looking at, they call it the return of the great old ones. These great cosmic beings is coming back. These people you see in the Bible, in the Revelations, which was not written by Patmos. They got they have a Persian Revelations that they got from Persia that they copied it shamelessly. You can get the book Parallel.